You have come here to learn something, to go deep into your experiences uh, of the knowledge of your roots. Sri Krishna has said that this is a tree which is upside down. The roots are upwards and the leaves are outwards. In the same way, you know that Kundalini really, when it rises in the Sahasrara or above Sahasrara, then you start getting the feeling of Kundalini. So one has to understand that when we are now getting subtler and subtler and trying to feel the Kundalini, we should try to get out of materialistic attitude and materialistic viewpoint and materialistic sticking point. I had met one guru before because I went to all of them, and I asked one of them, I said, why do you take money, so much money from these people who are Western people? So much, why do you take? And just they become beggars, absolutely like beggars they become, because you charge them so much and so heavily. And he told me that unless and until you make them beggars, they will never take to God. They are too rich to be near God. This explanation I just could not understand. It was absurd. I could not understand how can this explanation have any proper meaning, that you should make people beggars and then they will nearer to God. I said in India we have many beggars. Do you think those beggars are nearer to God? So he said no, otherwise you see they get stuck up with their money and must just make them absolutely without any money, moneyless people. So, I mean, of course, to such a stupid person, what can you talk and what can you convince? That why I could say to him, then why are you taking the money? If you are, then he would have said, because I am detached. You see, anything one can say like that. If it starts like that, you cannot just stop it. But one has to understand that materialism has gone into our roots. And if we have to clear out our roots, we must get out of materialism. That's important. But that does not in any way mean that you torture your body or anything. I don't mean that. What I'm saying, your attention. Shonu, abhi baithe raho. इसकी आदत है. That you shouldn't do like that. Always, Natali, you get up with Shonu, it's not good. Always disturb is not good. Sit down. Now, even if there are so many children sitting down here, please sit down. And don't disturb now anymore. Sit down. Shonu, तुम उनके साथ मत बैठो. Come and sit here. Shonu, come here. Better sit with Rahul. And then she gets that idea. Always sit with Rahul. The company tangi. You are not here just to enjoy, but you are here for a puja. You understand that? You are a grown-up girl than her. Chalo, tum Rahul bhai ke saath baitho. Chalo. Look at all these children, how they are sitting quietly. Will they move out? They don't understand English. But I have seen all our English children, whether it is in Caxton Hall or whether it is in any hall, all of them must go out and make a big noise and play there. There's always see. They cannot sit. Now look at these children, how quietly they are sitting. Look at them. What a quality it is. Just quietly they are just feeling the vibrations and enjoy. They don't want to go out. There's no enjoyment outside, it's inside. See them, see the contrast. You must keep your eyes open to see this. You see our children. Now, Linda is here, she'll tell you. She has to manage all the children outside the Caxton Hall. They're shouting, screaming. And the Caxton Hall people always tell me that you better not have children for your programs because they make such a lot of noise. It's very common problem. They have at least told me 10 times that please don't allow children to come here. But the children will never sit quietly, even for 5 minutes. As soon as 5 minutes will start, they'll say, let's go out and play. They can't sit quietly. Poor Shonu, whenever she goes out, she gets a big dive. She just yields to things just to please. Or Oriole also will get out. Alright, Oriole, you sit separate from her there, separately, you all see. We have only here 3 children and you'll always see them walking about. And another is Matthews. Where is he? I have to keep eye on them. It's dangerous. Huh. So now, when we are dealing with our roots, we have to be in the center, in the core. In the core means we are taking in, sucking in the feeling, or you can say the feeling and awareness put together. What do you say to that in English? Is there any word? Is there any word which makes awareness and feeling put together? Is there coming? Huh?
Experience.
Oh, yeah. Experience, you can say. The experience into your awareness and feeling. You have to get the experience into your awareness and feeling. In Marathi, it's a very simple word, zani. Comes from the word z. J comes from the word spontaneous. Also, j has 2 meanings. J means also jnana, is awareness, and also it means spontaneous. Zani. So you start sucking that within yourself when you are not entangled into other things. If your attention is entangled outside, you cannot enjoy. So, to be lost into which is samadhi, you see, is the one where your attention is completely drowned into the experience. That is what we have to achieve. So it's not only materialism, also emotionalism, all kinds of isms. We are attacked by all kinds of isms since the history of God started in this world, I think. And now the unholy thing that the ism, the latest is could be Sahajogaism, also could be the latest one. Because now there has to be attack on Sahajoga also. In this one is that, as I told you, I didn't explain it properly or you didn't hear me properly that day, that Sahajoga does not mean lethargy or slowness, not at all, but is a quick and a fast stepping in into the dissolution. Very quick. And once you very quickly dissolve into it, the whole movement of your body is quick but not jerky, smooth and quick, rhythmic. It's musical. Neither it is awkward nor lethargic, but it's musical. It has a rhythm about it. It's very gracious. The whole movement of dissolution can happen to you very easily. If you don't allow your attention to be attacked by all these isms, there's no end to it. I mean, if I have to write all of them, I think we'll have to need at least one book to write all the isms of the world. There's no end to it, which we have created. Alright. Then the worst of all is now, I think, Sahajogaism, in which, first of all, is the feeling of lethargy. It will happen sahaja, sit down, mother will do everything for you. The another is Sahajoga egoism, in which we have got one fellow lying there, in which people, Sahajogis, get into tantrums, try to show off that they are great Sahajogis, they have reached the 3rd stage or the 7th stage or whatever they may call. Now it's good, this example is a very good example, I wish you had taken a photo. But the see the expression of the Indians, the enamored expressions. You see, it's so genuine. They can't control with it. See, now, see, it's like I just don't know, but people think it's a package deal sort of a thing. It's so nonsensical, I tell you, that either they have to be taken out all their money, or if they are to be told now for puja, all of them are paying 21 because they have to do this, all this extra work, so they are charging 21. And they, if you tell them for puja, they'll even give 51. But I'm told some of you have even refused that. I mean, it's so shameful, I tell you. It's absolutely shameful. Can you imagine? What is 21 rupees to you? To them, it's quite, because it's some sort of a part of you are giving, which is so nonsensical. Just is a feeling, is a sign of complete negativity. Left nabi is the problem. Materialism is complete materialism. Those who have been, say, doing vegetarianism are materialist in India. We have seen the cases like you see the Jains and the Marwadis and the Gujaratis. They are all vegetarian, supposed to be very compassionate people. They build some temples also, and sometimes they give to poor people, and sometimes to people like Hare Rama, Hare Krishna who are begging in India. They give money to them. Supposed to be very compassionate people. They are more compassionate to chickens than to human beings. We have that kind. And the same kind I've seen in the West also. Such materialistic people. I mean, they have no shame. So when you just turn and see that, you should abhor that, abhor it. It's shameful. How could you be like that even in Sahaja Yoga? So as I've told you, there's some people who are materialistic, some people who are emotionalistic, and some people who are egoistic. Now leave all these things on the sides. Then you come in the center. Now you are in the center. In the center, people enjoy just the love of their mother, like Sri Ganesha does. Just think how your mother loves you. Finished. Can you? This very sweet feeling. And who is your mother? If you really believe in her, in Sahaja Yoga, these two things should solve the problem. No more things. Just think how much your mother lives. That means you are jumping onto my Kundalini. And when you jump onto my Kundalini, then there is no thought. You cannot think. When you think that how much your mother loves you, you are jumping onto my Kundalini. And that time there is no thought. It's very simple to meditate in Sahaja Yoga because you have somebody in person. They never had somebody in person. So I can understand their problems. There was nobody in person there to do it in the air. But here a sure short thing. You can feel your vibrations. You can feel my love. And you can feel your own quality. It's very simple. But it's not the love that is selfish. It's not the love where you say, oh, mother loves me, so she'll look after me, she'll do everything for me, she's going to do everything. It's the love that mother loves me so much, what can I do for her? Which is the best flower I can give to my mother? What does she need? She needs nothing. She doesn't need money. She doesn't need anything. What can I give her? Which is the best flower? Like Sri Hanumana, was given a gold necklace by Sitaji. And he saw that. He was sitting on a tree. He was breaking one by one all of those big gold balls of his necklace. So Sitaji said, "What are you doing?" He said, "I am trying to say in these balls, where is Ram?" He said, "None of them had. So I am just breaking them to find her. Otherwise, why should I wear it?" And then she said, "Really? Where is Ram?" He opened his chest. He said, "See, in my chest, he exists there." So it is never one-sided sort of a thing. It's a thing that exists within you and you feel that, and then it has to be reciprocal. In the water, if there is a ripple, it goes to the shores and then it returns. So with this force only, I tell you, you can conquer your ego and superego both. There's no way out. And for these Indians, it's very easy to do because, you see, they know their mother's love. I know there has been an attack on that point and the mothers have been funny there. But doesn't matter when you see something, just put yourself to it, to feel your roots. These are your roots. And then you see the enjoyment. The Mother Earth herself is sucking you down. She's sucking you down. That is how you meditate. This is how you have to meditate. And it's such a security giving thing. It will change your expressions, faces, everything. And that enamored expression that you find in these people will be on your faces very soon. And complete silence will exist once you come on my Kundalini. But not through your mental projection, but through your meditative, spontaneous experience. It's very joy giving. Just feel the joy of that. You are all with me here. And the joy of that feeling will really enlarge your hearts, and then you can give it to others. You don't have to be crazy about these things, but just to feel it within yourself. Alright. Now I move on to Indians because they are different style of people. May God bless you. आता तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना पाहून इतका आनंद झाला मला, आणि कधी राहुरीला जाते असं झालं होतं. एकदाच्या आम्ही पोचलो आणि ह्या राहुरीच्या या पवित्र परिसरात पूर्वी अनेक कार्य देवीने केलेली आहेत, पण आताचं जे कार्य आहे हे सगळ्यात मंगलमय आणि सुखदायी आहे. कारण राक्षसांना मारायचं वगैरे म्हणजे काही विशेष सुखदायी कार्य नव्हतं, आणि अशा घाणेरड्या लोकांची झुंजत राहण्यापेक्षा कधीतरी असे लोक जे कंबळाच्या सुंदर कळ्यांप्रमाणे कुठेतरी वाट बघत बसले, त्यांची फुलं करण्यात जी मजा येणार आहे किंवा त्यांची फळं करण्यात जी मजा येणार आहे ती कधीतरी लुटावी असं फार वाटत असेल, ते मात्र ह्या जन्मात पूर्ण झालेलं आहे. आणि तुम्हा लोकांचे आनंद बघून फार आनंद वाटला. किती म्हटलं तरी ह्या भारतभूमीच्या पाठीवर ही जी महाराष्ट्राची भूमी आहे ह्याच्यामध्ये सर्व विश्वाची कुंडलिनी आहे. हे मी आपल्याला अनेकदा सांगितले. बरं, त्याच्या शास्त्रात आधार असा की याच्या 3.5 पीठे असे सांगितलेले आहेत. 3.5 पीठं फक्त कुंडलिनीला असतात. तसेच अष्टविनायक हे सुद्धा सर्व महाराष्ट्रात आहेत. ते खरे की खोटे हे तुम्ही पार झाल्याशिवाय जाणू शकत नाही, कारण पार झाल्यावरच तुम्हाला कळेल की त्याच्यात नाही येते की. पण मुसळवाडीला तर साक्षात सहस्त्रारच मुळे, तेव्हा ही किती महान भूमी आहे हे तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. आणि इथे जे चमत्कार घडणार आहेत ते कुठेही असे प्रकारचे घडू शकत नाही, म्हणजे या परिसरात. कारण ही गोष्ट तुम्हाला माहित नसेल की ही फार चमत्कारपूर्ण जागा आहे. मच्छिंद्रनाथ सारख्या माणसांनी, म्हणजे जे फार मोठे दत्तात्रयाचे अवतरण होतं, त्यांनी पुष्कळ मेहनत केलेली आहे. त्याच्या आधी या भूमीला शांडिल्य वगैरे अशा मुनींनी पावन केलेलं आहे. तेव्हा ही भूमी अत्यंत पवित्र आहे. इतकी पवित्र की श्रीरामाला आणि सीतेला सुद्धा पायातल्या वाहना काढून इथे यावं लागतं. तेव्हा अशा पवित्र भूमीवर तुम्ही बसलेले आहात, म्हणजे अत्यंत भाग्यवान आहात. आणि ते भाग्य विशेषच उजळायला आलंय आज, कारण एक तऱ्हेने थोडीशी सुबत्ता पण आलेली आहे. आणि त्या सुबत्तेमध्ये आता पोटापाण्याची विवंचना एवढी न राहिल्यामुळे परमेश्वरही लोकांना सुचू लागला. म्हणजे हे सुद्धा नशीबच म्हटलं पाहिजे, कारण सुबत्ता आल्याबरोबर सर्व घाणेरड्याच गोष्टी लोकांना सुचतात. चांगल्या गोष्टी सुचणं म्हणजे कठीण काम आहे. म्हणजे अजून तरी देवाला धरून राहिलेले असे बरेच आहेत या भूमीवर. आणि म्हणूनच आपल्याला इतके सहयोगी आजही एवढ्या सुबत्तेत दिसतात आणि ते इतकं मोठं कार्य करून राहिले. पूजेच्या बाबतीत सांगायचं म्हणजे असं की तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की सहयोगामध्ये आम्ही इंग्लंड वगैरेला फार कमी लोकांना पूजेत येऊ देतो. आता ह्याच्यामध्ये 12 देशातले लोक इथे आलेले आहेत. पैकी प्रत्येक देशातनं फार तर 5-6 लोक असतील, किंवा काही देशातनं 10-15 असे लोक आहेत. पण त्याच्यातले फार कमी लोक आम्ही पूजेला येऊ देतो. त्याला कारण असे आहे की परदेशाला आता धर्म काय भावना ती राहिलेली नाही. त्यांच्यावर अनेक हल्ले झालेले आहेत, आणि त्यातले असे घाणेरडे हल्ले आहेत की त्या हल्ल्यांमुळे लोकांना धर्म काय किंवा चांगुलपणा काय किंवा पावित्र्य काय त्याची कल्पनाच राहिलेली नाही. आता हिंदुस्थानी मनुष्य किती बिघडला तरी त्याला हे लक्षात राहतं की हे वाईटपणा आहे, हे चांगुलपणा नाही. पण तसं मात्र ह्या लोकांचं नाही. हे किती वाईट मार्गाला गेले तरी म्हणतात त्याच्यात काय चुकलं आमचं, ह्याच्यात काय चुकलं आमचं. म्हणजे धर्माचं जे एक प्रमाण आहे किंवा ज्याला आपण म्हणू एक खुंट आहे, ती खुंटच तुटलेली. त्या बेफाम वाटेल तसं वागत असतात. आणि ते वागल्यानंतर एवढ्या म्हणजे नरकात पडल्यानंतर नरकच उभा केला सगळ्यांनी. त्याच्यात मग सहयोगात येणं, मग त्याच्यात पवित्र होणं, आणि मग ह्या हवनकुंडात निघणं म्हणजे फारच कमालीची गोष्ट आहे लोकांनी केली. त्याला कारण हे म्हणजे मोठे संत साधू असले पाहिजे. नाहीतर अशा मोठ्या नरकात जो मनुष्य राहिला तो होरपळूनच जाणार. पण त्याच्यातनं निघून हे वर आलेले. पण तुमचं तसं नाही. तुम्ही अजून सुद्धा पवित्र वातावरणात वाढलेले, बाळबोध घराण्यातले संभावित लोक. त्याच्यामुळे तुमचं काही विशेष बिघडलेलं नाही. थोडं बहुत इकडे तिकडे काय बिघडलं असेल तर सहयोगाला कठीण जाते. पण एकंदर आपण सुचारू रूपाने राहतो आणि आपल्यात फार बाळबोधपणा आहे, त्याचा आपल्याला लाभ आहे. पण ह्यांची जी चिकाटी आहे, ह्यांची जी मेहनत आहे, आणि ज्या जोमाने हे सहयोगात लागतात, तसं मात्र इकडे दिसत नाही आपल्याला. कारण आपल्याला जे सोप्यात मिळतं त्याची आपल्याला कदर लागत नाही. इथे म्हणजे पार व्हायला तुम्हाला तर दिसेलच, खेडेगावात 6-6, 7-7 हजार माणसं पटापट पार होतात. पण तिथे एका माणसावर मला 5-5 महिने लागतात, हात मोडतात माझे. तेव्हा इथल्या लोकांना सहयोगात काय आम्हाला मिळालं हे समजत नाही. एकदा गगनगड महाराज त्यांना भेटायला पुष्कळसे सहयोगी गेले होते. तर गगनगड महाराजांनी त्यांना सांगितलं की मला एकंदर 21,000 वर्ष लागले व्हायब्रेशन्स येण्याला. मी पहिल्यांदा बेडूक होतो, तेव्हापासून मला सगळं आठवत आहे. आणि बेडकापासून हळूहळू मी मानव झालो, तेव्हा परास्त मी परमेश्वरालाच म्हणत होतो की परमेश्वरा मला कसं तरी करून चैतन्य दे. करता करता मानव झाल्यावर सुद्धा मी फार तपश्चर्या केली, अनेक हजारो वर्ष तपश्चर्या केली. म्हणजे 21,000 वर्ष तुम्ही बघा, म्हणजे किती असतात ते. आणि मानव बनून सुद्धा मी म्हणे 12,000 वर्ष तपस्या केली. आणि 12,000 वर्षानंतर आत्ता 2 जन्मापूर्वी मला व्हायब्रेशन्स हाताळायला लागले. तेव्हा आता हे तिसरा जन्म माझा व्हायब्रेशनचा असल्यामुळे याची मला महानता आणि मोठेपणा माहिती आहे. आणि तुम्हाला माताजीने असंच फुकटात दिलेलं आहे सगळं. तेव्हा मी त्यांना पुष्कळदा विचारतो की तुम्ही असे कशाला फुकटात सगळ्यांना वाटत चालले, त्यांना काही अक्कल तरी आहे का, त्यांना काय मिळते. तर माताजी म्हणतात की आमची मर्जी, असं समजा तुम्ही. ते आपल्या हसून असं सांगतात, पण तशी गोष्ट नाही. वेळ आलेली आहे, देण्याची वेळ आली आहे. देण्याची वेळ आली म्हणजे सर्वांना द्यावंच लागणार. वेळही आलेली आहे, परत परमेश्वरालाही विवंचना पडलेली आहे की जर आता ह्या लोकांना पार नाही केलं तर मात्र सर्वनाश होणार आहे. संबंध जे काही विश्वातली सृष्टी आहे ती माणसावर आधारित आहे. जर माणसाचा सर्वनाश झाला तर परमेश्वराच्या सर्व ह्या सृष्टीचा सर्वनाश होऊन व्यर्थ होईल. म्हणून ही वेळ आलेली आहे. आणि ह्या बहारीच्या वेळेत तुम्ही अनेक लोक पार होता. पण तरीसुद्धा ही फार महत्त्वाची गोष्ट आहे आणि ती समजून ठेवली पाहिजे की आम्हाला जर ही विशेष देणगी मिळालेली आहे तर तिचा उपयोग सुद्धा एक विशेष असायला पाहिजे आणि आम्ही सुद्धा एक विशेष झालं पाहिजे. नाहीतर उगीच एवढी मोठी गोष्ट आम्हाला देऊन सुद्धा अगदी व्यर्थ आहे. समजा एखाद्या भिकाऱ्याला आपण जर राज्यपद दिलं आणि तरी सुद्धा तो भिकाऱ्यासारखा भिकच मागत बसला तर त्या राज्यपदाचा काय उपयोग होणार. म्हणून भिकाऱ्याला असं कळलं पाहिजे की जरी त्यावेळेला भिकार येतो तरी आता मी राजा आहे आणि राजा होऊनच बसलेलो आहे आणि माझं राज्यपद मला मिळालं आहे. तर त्या मान्यतेने, त्या आढ्यतेने आणि त्या गौरवाने त्या माणसाने बसायला पाहिजे. नाही तर तो राज्य कसं करणार. नाहीतर आपल्याकडचे आजकालचे जे राज्यकर्ते यांची अशी स्थिती झाली होती, होत्या आधी भिकारी, राज्यपद आले तिसी तिचे हिंडणे राहीना, तशी स्थिती आहे या लोकांची. तेव्हा तसं झालं नाही पाहिजे, कारण सहयोगामध्ये मूळ पद राहत नाही. मूळ स्वभाव जाईनाची गोष्ट आहे ते जात. त्याच्यातलं जे मुलाग्र तुमचा अगदी बदल होऊन जातो, तुम्ही दुसरे होऊन जाता. आधी सांगितलं होतं मी की अंडरूपाने मनुष्य राहत असतो, म्हणून त्याला मानव असं म्हणतात. म्हणजे पशुपेक्षा बरा आहे. पशु तर पाशात असतो, त्याला पाश असतो परमेश्वराचा, त्या पाशात तो फिरत असतो, त्या पाशातनं निघू शकत नाही, म्हणून त्याला पशु असं म्हणतात. तो पाश मात्र सुटलेला असतो, अंडरूपाने असतो आणि स्वतःची कशी प्रगती करून घ्यायची याची त्याला पूर्ण मुभा असते. पण त्या मुभेनंतर मग तो कसा वागतो, कुठे जातो, कशाला आपल्याला बिघडून घेतो, काय आपली स्थिती करून घेतो, हे मात्र त्याच्या अकलेवर आणि सुजाणतेपणावर अवलंबून असतं. पण शेवटी असं म्हणणं आहे की अत्यंत हे सर्व केल्यानंतर त्याला हळूहळू एक तऱ्हेचे शहाणपण येतं, सुजाणता येते, सुबुद्धी येते. आणि ही सुबुद्धी विजडम आल्यावर मात्र तो अशा मार्गाला धरतो जो परमेश्वराचा मार्ग आहे. पण पुष्कळ लोक तसे न धरताना सुद्धा सहयोगात आले आहेत, तरी सुद्धा ते पार झाले. म्हणजे त्यांचं पक्षी रूपामध्ये पुनर्जन्म झाला. आता एका अंड्याचा आणि पक्षाचा आपापसात काही संबंध दिसत नाही बाह्यता, पण तेच आज पक्षी रूपाने बाहेर येऊन दुसरं स्वरूप घेतले. तेव्हा तुम्ही दुसऱ्या स्वरूपात आल्यावर तुम्हाला जर राज्यपद दिलं तर त्याला काय हरकत. असंच मी महाराजांना म्हटलं की तुम्हाला एवढं काय एवढं वाईट वाटतं या लोकांचं. म्हणे तुमच्यासाठी किती लोक जीव द्यायला तयार होतील. म्हटलं मला कोणाचा जीव घ्यायचा नाही आहे, जीव द्यायला कशाला पाहिजे. पण तुम्हाला ज्या स्वरूपात आम्ही आणलेले आहे, आता तुम्ही संत झाले, मोठे संत झाले तुम्ही. म्हणजे आता लोक हातावरती बोटावरती कुंडलिनी उचलतात, ते फक्त गणेशाला साध्य होतं. फक्त गणेशाला साध्य होतं. पूर्वी एकेका चक्रावरती लोक कुंडलिनी उचलून थांबत असत. आज संबंध हाताने अशी नुसते बोटाशी फिरवली म्हणजे एखाद्या काय, पण किती लोकांच्या तुम्ही कुंडलिन्या उचलू शकता. म्हणजे केवढं मोठं गणेशाचं स्थान तुम्हाला दिलेलं आहे. तेव्हा तुम्ही गणेश स्वरूपात आला का. आणि गणेशाचं वैशिष्ट्य फक्त एकच की नितांत आपल्या आईवर भक्ती आणि प्रेम. आणि म्हणूनच सर्व शक्ती त्याला आईने दिलेली. सर्व शक्ती, सर्व शक्ती समन्वित. ही गणेश शक्ती जी आहे याच्यात सर्व शक्ती आहेत. जर तुम्ही गणेशाचा अथर्व शीर्ष म्हटलं तर त्याच्यात सर्व शक्ती आहेत. ब्रह्मदेवात काही आहेत, विष्णूमध्ये काही आहेत आणि महेशामध्ये काही. पण ह्या सर्व शक्त्यांचं जे काही सार आहे, तत्व आहे, ते गणेशामध्ये. त्याला कारण असं आहे की आई ही जर परमेश्वराची सर्व शक्ती असली, त्या शक्तीचं सार सगळंच त्या तिने आपल्या मुलांना दिलेलं आहे, तर त्या सर्व शक्त्या त्या गणेशामध्ये. तेव्हा आपल्याला आईने गणेश स्वरूप केलेलं आहे, गणेशासारखं जन्माला घातलेलं आहे. आणि आता आमची कुंडलिनी जी त्रिकोणाकार अस्थिबंध निघत होती, ते आता पोटात निघायला पाहिजे. जशी गणेशाची कुंडलिनी त्याच्या पोटात, तशी आता त्या त्रिकोणाकार अस्थितनं निघून ती पोटातनं निघायला पाहिजे. तेव्हा मात्र खरे आम्ही संत होऊ. पोटातनं निघाली पाहिजे म्हणजे काय, त्याचा अर्थ असा आहे की जेव्हा कुंडलिनी पोटातनं निघाली म्हणजे आपले जे काही आजपर्यंत आपण जे परमेश्वराला शोधत होतो, आधी आपण ते पैशात शोधत होतो किंवा आपण आधी खाण्यापिण्यात शोधत होतो, मग पैशात शोधू लागलो. हे जे नाभीचक्राची जेवढी कार्य होती पूर्वी, ते आता म्हणजे साक्षात कुंडलिनी स्वयं तिथे बसले. म्हणजे आपल्याला आणखीन कसलाच शोध नाही, आपण नुसते कुंडलिनीवर बसलेलो. ही जेव्हा स्थिती होईल तेव्हा आपण मान्य केलं पाहिजे की आपण खरंच परीक्षेला उतरलो, आपण खरंच संत झालो आणि ह्याच्यावर आता आपल्याला कुठे जायचं. ही गोष्ट मी थोडी इंग्लिशमध्ये सांगते म्हणजे ह्याच्या लक्षात येईल. नाव आय वॉज टेलिंग दॅम, आय मस्ट ट्रान्सलेट इट टू यू इन इंग्लिश. Is the most important point I was telling, that now you are transformed, now you have become saints, no doubt about it. Now from an egg you have become a bird. But now what should happen to you? Your Kundalini is still in the sacred. How it has happened that now you have got all the Ganesha Shakti. I have made you like Ganesha. In the same pattern as I had made Ganesha, you are made. Basa, 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 basa. Ata now you have become a Ganesha. And from this Ganesha stage, which you think you are a Ganesha, now if I offer you a throne of Sri Ganesha, if you have to sit on that throne as a king, then what should happen? Actually, that now your Kundalini should not be anymore in the sacrum bone, but in your stomach, because Ganesha's Kundalini is in the stomach. In the stomach means in the Nabhi Chakra. Means all your seeking has been so far in materialism, has been in other things like in money or in power or in love or whatever it was. But now your Kundalini itself is in the Nabhi Chakra. Means your seeking is nothing but itself has become the Kundalini. Your seeking has become the Kundalini. Means that you are the giver. Now you are the Guru. You have now become the Guru. When the Kundalini starts from the Nabhi, that means now you are the Guru. Now you have to give all the blessings, everything as a Guru does. Now you all have become Gurus. But that's only possible when the Kundalini has risen, has lifted her abode from the stomach, from the sacrum to the stomach. At this stage, unless and until it has arrived, you are not a confirmed Guru. Once that has happened, you become a Guru. And then you can really impress people and work it out. It has to be done very fast. It has to work out very fast. And for that, first of all, please get rid of your entanglements, which are stupid. If you really believe that you have to progress in your seeking, that you have to have your Kundalini coming up from your Nabhi, then please hurry up. Please try to work out. Otherwise, you are very few who have been given also the privilege of doing my puja. Very few. And those who have been given have a chance to develop to that stage. And once you become that, all of you who have achieved that state can become the Gurus. And for that, you have to have only wisdom. Wisdom. Keep to your wisdom. And like Sri Ganesha has his wisdom, and in that wisdom he knew one thing, that his mother was all powerful and that he doesn't have to worship anybody else but his mother. And he has to have all the powers which are granted by her. With these powers, no one has. Even Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesha does not have. They cannot reach Ganesha. They cannot reach his state because they have one-sided. But Sri Ganesha has all the powers, all the Chaitanya powers he has got. So to become like that, to be like that, he should be your ideal. How he behaved and how he would sacrifice anything for the sake of mother. Here there are people who don't even want to pay for something like a puja and wretched stuff which you may just spend away somewhere in a nonsensical thing. Because your attention has to be brought round complete. It has to be completely severed from all these nonsensical entanglements. And there should be less talking and more experiencing. Then only it's going to work out. It's a good pleasure and a great thing to be here in this holy land. It's a very holy place, you can see it's so peaceful. Try to feel the peace within yourself that is within every human being. And after that, you have to know that this peace that you are achieving has to be given to others. In Sahaja Yoga, perhaps you have realized that whatever you have got from the nature, can release it back. For example, if you give vibrations to a plant, you can make it grow. If you give vibrations to a flower, you can make it sustain its life. For the first time, you are giving something to the nature. But as soon as you grow up to that state of a guru, then you can give the peace that is in the nature. You can give the feeling of bliss that is in the nature. But first, achieve it within yourself. Make this go inside you and see that bliss settle down within you. You don't see other nonsensical things which are very disturbing sometimes to a Western mind. For example, if a telephone is not working or the road is not all right, if the bathroom is not, this nonsensical things has no meaning. But feel the peace outside. Try to establish that peace within, because this peace you have to give to others. The whole development plan that I have is very fast, and I'm sure you'll keep pace with me. So may God bless you. When you sit down, just feel the peace and try to achieve that peace within yourself. Don't pay attention to nonsensical things and with this your little brain try to criticize. But try to achieve the peace within yourself so that you can give peace to others. It's not proper that some of you are looking after the negative people all the time. It's not proper. You don't have to look after the negative people. Just leave them alone. Keep out of them, because negative people can always bring you down. Don't try to improve the conditions of the negative. Leave them behind. You go fast. Once you have achieved that state, then we can arrange for them to come. For example, if my car has failed, alright, I got into another car, which was alright because I have to come to the program. Then I can send a tempo from here to get that another car, where there were some people who were not supposed to be at the program. That's how you have to be quick and not bother your heads too much about the negative people, who are sick people, trying to be compassionate. There's no need. Tell them, tell mother. Let you talk to mother, look after yourselves, and don't be bothered about them. This is another nonsensical idea of compassion we have got. Compassion is not mental projection, I've told you. A compassion that works, that flows. It's all mental. You see, for us, compassion is mental, every idea, peace is mental, bliss is mental, God is mental. Everything is mental for us. He's not. He's the one that resides in the heart as spirit. He's the one who works through. The compassion, and now you know my compassion is that it flows, it works, it acts. It's not mental. So don't try to be mentally concerned with people and try to be compassionate. Alright? I hope you understand that the compassion is not a mental idea, that we are compassionate, we are working for the unity of the world and all that. Even unity and all those ideas, even the idea of collective understanding is in the heart. It should work. In Sanskrit, this is karyanvit. In English, there's no word. Karyanvit is embodied with the working capacity. Embodied with the working out capacity. Working out capacity, you can translate like that. It should work. If it does not work out, then what's the use of looking after somebody who is sick, alright, come along, who is this? This is nonsense. This is very mental. Just don't waste your energy. You have not come here to look after the sick. I hope you understand this idea of looking after the sick and being very is all ego oriented. You see, we are trying to help the sick, we are trying to help this, that, all ego oriented. Another super ego oriented is that we are sacrificing this and that and we are becoming beggars in India, like the Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, beggars, parasites. Both are just the same. Now, please don't do all these things and try to keep yourself glued to one idea that you have to ascend faster. You have to individually ascend faster and collectively pull out everyone. But not those who are heavily laden with problems and who are creating problems and objecting your progress. That doesn't mean that you are not compassionate. You know how much compassionate I am. But my compassionate doesn't make stories, I am so compassionate and I am this and that. Up to a point is alright, but don't so too much bother about people who are dragging you behind. You have come here for a training into the understanding and the of awareness, which is compassion. You all have to. Even when you go to the school, you are not bothered about a person who is lacking in the class, do you? You want to study fast so that you come up well. In the same way, I would request you not to bother your heads too much about people who are trying to pull you down, because I don't want you to be pulled down. That's my compassion for them and for you. Let me look after them and you just don't worry your heads about them. They'll be alright. So may God bless you. Let's have a puja today. And this puja will be simple today. I think we'll have Ganesha's puja and then we'll have Devi's puja today. And then we'll have a good Havana because it's a good place for Havana. Now, out of you who have not washed my feet or have not done my puja can come forward. Yeah, yeah. थोड़ा पानी देना in puja also individually try to suck it. Try to suck it. तुम्हाला इकडे बसून घ्या त्यांचं परिणाम वाईट होतो तुम्ही राहा तो फिर डायरिया हो जाएगा तुमको पेट खराब हो जाएगा इन लोगों के साथ मत बैठा करो मैं तुमसे कहा था मिळालं का तुम्हाला पात्र एकच मिळालं का काय हो आपण बघितलं तेच आणलं दुसरं नाही मिळालं ते म्हणाले बनवून देतो किती एकदा तो म्हणाले 11 पाहिजेत मला अच्छा दही नाही कळंकत दही कळंक जेवण झालं You can say the mantras. You can. Gavin can also go. Gavin, Gavin, come along. Gavin should come.
Gavin?
And Brian can go. Brian, come here. You did not know any Devanagari.
Before? No, I knew from childhood.
Okay, that's all. It's not easy. Oh God, are you learning some Devanagari? Try to learn some Devanagari. It's a good idea.
I'll ask to be posted in Delhi, mother. Then I'll learn Sanskrit.
No. In Vienna, we'll arrange someone. Kamala, you should all try to learn Devanagari a little bit. It will be a good idea, isn't it? I think इथे एखादी जरा मोठी सतरंजी घालाव. आता आहे काढची सतरंजी. असंच बघा. बघा.
Carpets.
काय सुंदर केलेलं आहे बघा. Come. Come on top. Come सतरंजी. कधी नाही होणार.
There are carpets in our room.
They are big.
In our room, on top of the cupboard, there are carpets.
Because you also get your person and got
I haven't. We have some carpets in our room.
Huh?
In our room, we have some
Then
carpets.
spread it. Why not spread it? Just one bit. And you should not sit in the sun for a long time. I request you. Since we will all get into trouble now. Better sit for a while. In the morning time was all right. आणा इकडे आणा इथे पुढेच घालायचं. Just remove it out. I think take out this one. First of all, अशी घेऊन या सगळं काढून द्या. सगळं काढून बघा इथे आहे. आधी सबंध सतरंजी घालून घ्या. डबल करून घाला. हे घाला. हे काढता का हे कालचं? Tell Ruth that I'm carrying her towels all over the place. She'll be very happy. What a good idea she had. Are they going to sit for the puja? Not to all, huh? Yeah? Those who are going to sit for the puja, right? Just lift your head a little more. Left to the right. Turn your head. आता इथून कोण येणार? चला धुमाळ कोण? या तुम्ही तोटकर. या ना. आणखीन कोण? ते अंजनचे आहेत का आले तर त्यांना बोलवा. ते मस्त आहेत. या कुठे आहेत ते? आलेत का? एडिटर अंजनचे. गणपतराव या. गणपतराव या. वा.
Let us all together say Sri Ganesha's mantra, then the three mantras of Sri Mata. Om Tvameva Sakshat Sri Ganesha Sakshat Sri Adi Shakti Sri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Om Tvameva Sakshat Sri Mahalakshmi Mahasaraswati Mahakali Trigunatmika Kundalini Sakshat Sri Adi Shakti Sri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Om Tvameva Sakshat Sri Kalaki Sakshat Sri Adi Shakti Sri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Om Tvameva Sakshat Sri Kalaki Sakshat Sri Sahasrara Swamini Moksha Pradayini Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Om Namaste Ganapataye Tvameva Pratyaksham Tattvamasi Tvameva Kevalam Kartasi Tvameva Kevalam Kartasi Tvameva Kevalam Hartasi Tvameva Sarvam Khalvidam Brahmasi Tvam Sakshat Atmasi Nityam Ritam Vachmi Satyam Vachmi Avatvam Mam Avavaktaram Avashrotaram Avadataram Avadhataram Avanuchanam Avashishyam Avapaschattat Avapurastat Avuttarata Avadakshinatat Avachotvatat Avadharatat Sarvatoman Pahi Pahi Samantat Tvam Vangmaya Tvam Chinmaya Tvam Anandamaya Tvam Brahmamaya Tvam Sachidananda Vidyosi Tvam Pratyaksham Brahmasi Tvam Jnanamayo Vijnanamayosi Sarvam Jagaditam Tam Tattu Jayate Sarvam Jagaditam Tvattashtishtati Sarvam Jagaditam Tvailam Yashyati Sarvam Jagaditam Tvai Pratyeti Tvam Bhumi Rapo Nalo Nilo Namah Tvam Chatvari Vapadani Tvam Guna Trayatita Tvam Deha Trayatita Tvam Kala Trayatita Tvam Muladhara Sthitosi Nityam Tvam Shakti Trayatmaka Tvam Yogino Dhyayanti Nityam Tvam Brahma Tvam Vishnus Tvam Rudras Tvam Indras Tvam Agnis Tvam Vayus Tvam Suryas Tvam Chandramas Tvam Brahma Bhuvasvaro Ganadi Puja Purvamucharya Varnadi Tananantaram Anuswara Parantara Ardhendulasitam Tarena Rudham Etat Tavam Manuswarupam Kakara Purvarupam Akaro Manyama Rupam Manuswara Shantya Rupam Binduruttama Rupam Nada Sandhanam Sahita Sandhi Saisha Ganesha Vidya Ganaka Rishi Nijrut Gayatri Chanda Ganapati Devta Om Gam Ganapataye Namah Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tano Danti Prachodayat Ekadantam Chaturhastam Pasham Ankushadharinam Vardam Chavaradam Hastai Vibhanam Mushaka Dvajam Raktam Lambodaram Shubhakanakam Raktavasasam Rakta Khandanus Diptangam Rakta Pushpai Subhujitam Bhaktanukampitam Devam Jagat Karanam Muchyatam Avirbhutam Chasrustyadav Prakriti Purushat Param Evam Jayati Yo Nityam Sayogi Yoginam Vara Namo Pratapataye Namo Ganapataye Namo Prathamapataye Namaste Astu Lambodharaya Ekadantaya Vignanashine Shivasutaya Shri Varadamurtaye Namah. Sakshat Shri Adishakti Bhagavati Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Om Namah.
And now Ganesha's name. Ganesha.
Give him the translation.
Translation let him do first. No. Then.
Let our ears hear that which is true, let our eyes see that which is pure, let our beings praise that which is divine, and let those who listen hear not my
Loudly.
voice, but the wisdom of God.
Loudly. Loudly.
Let us worship with the same song, the same strength, and the same knowledge, and let our meditation enlighten and enrich. Let there be amongst us compassion and peace. Now the prayer. Salutation
See,
to
this is
Ganesh.
compassion and peace. Let us be among ourselves, not mental. Again, we have within us. Let it manifest, not mental again. Compassion and peace, which is manifest.
Now the prayer. Salutation Sri Ganesh. Sakshat Sri Jesus. Sakshat Sri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. It is you who is the beginning of all the beginnings. It is you who is the doer of all deeds which have been done, are being done, and will be done. It is you who supports all things that are supported. It is you who protects all things that are protected. It is you who is the complete, all-pervading spirit, God's divine energy. Think clearly, brain. Speak only the truth. Let your presence awakened in us by Kundalini speak. Let your presence awakened in us by Kundalini listen. Let your presence awakened in us by Kundalini bless. Let your presence awakened in us by Kundalini protect. Let your presence awakened by Kundalini in us, your disciples, be the disciple. You are the essence of all the sacred literature and holy words, and you are the energy that understands the holy words. You are the divine combination of complete truth, complete happiness, and complete energy, and you are beyond. You are all knowledge, and you are the use to which the knowledge is put. You exist until the end of all things, and after the end of all things, you are. You create the end of all things, and after the end of all things, you remain indifferent.
लहान मुलांना येऊ द्या, त्यांना काय हरकत नाही. येऊ देत बसू दे.
You are the earth, you are the water, you are the fire, you are the air, and you are the space above the air. You are the gunas, and you are beyond the gunas. You are the body, and you are beyond the body. You are the essence of time, and you are beyond time. You, and only you, exist at the Muladhara chakra. You are the spirit, and you are beyond the spirit. And those who would join God meditate upon you.
ठीक.
You are Brahma,
हातात कसं ते.
Vishnu,
त्यांना येते का?
Rudra.
आता शिकवा.
You are Indra, Agni, Vayu.
आलं?
You are the sun at noon, you are the full moon. Through all of these and more, you are the all-pervading energy of innocence and wisdom. You are the divine servant who stoops to wash the feet of saints. You are the tiny core of all things without which the larger had no purpose. You are the key to the libraries of all the scriptures without which the truth is hidden. You are the full stop which completes the sentence and without which the sentence loses its meaning. You are the crescent moon. You are the stars, and you are beyond the stars. All things, from tiny dot to universe, is you. You are the future and beyond the future. You are in all forms. You are where the sounds combine. You are the silence between the sounds. You are the rhythm of all music and all prayers. This is the knowledge of Nirmal Ganesh, and you, Nirmal Ganesh, are the master of that knowledge and all knowledge. You are God, and you are the goddess. Om Gam Nirmal Ganapate. Your powers, Ganesha, let all surrender. Let the left side of memory and the right side of action surrender to you, and let your enlightenment prevail. Your first tooth you have, and 4 hands, one holding a rope, the second a goad, the third is raised in blessing, and the fourth offers sustenance. Your banner is that of a humble mouse. You have long ears and are clothed in red. Red decorates you, and you are worshipped with red flowers. You have compassion for those who love you, and it is for those who love you that you come to this earth. You are the force that creates, the energy that pervades, and the spirit that protects. Those who seek union with God pray through you. Those who seek union with God worship you. Om Yam Nyama Jesus. To your powers, Om Jesus, let all surrender. Let the left side of memory and the right side of action surrender to you, and let your enlightenment prevail. You are the word that was the beginning. You are the word that will be the ending. You are he who was born of a virgin and died on the cross. You are he who absorbed all sins and who died to live again. You are God and man, and you are worshipped with red flowers. You have compassion for those who love you, and it is for those who love you that you come to this earth. You are the force that creates, the energy that pervades, and the spirit that protects. Those who seek union with God pray through you. Those who seek union with God worship you.
Or you always like that.
Shri
Never
Ganesha,
sits in the meditation. How will you do it?
salutation to you.
She always
Shri
disappears.
Jesus,
That's it.
salutation
Sit
to
in
you.
the meditation. Come here.
He who is the beginning of
She
all
always
worship,
disappears.
salutation to you. He who destroys all the powers of evil, salutation to you. Sakshat, son of Lord Shiva, who is unending blessings, salutation to you. Sakshat, son of Mary Mataji, who is unending love, salutation to you. Sakshat, Mataji Nirmala Devi, who is unending joy, salutation to you.
Where is Olympia gone?
I'm just going to find her, Mother. She's with all
And Orion. They always disappear like this. Very dangerous, you know. Never leave children like that. Just call her. Very dangerous. That's typical Orion. Just put your,
Now 110 names of Lord Ganesha.
rub your hands.
Om Shri Vigneshaya Namah. Salutations to him who is the remover of obstacles. Om Shri Vishwavaradaya Namah. Salutations to him who gives boons to the whole universe. Om Shri Vishwa Chakshushe Namah. Salutations to him who is the eye of the universe. Om Shri Jagat Prabhave Namah. Salutations to him who is the resplendent Lord of the universe. Om Shri Hiranya Rupaya Namah. Salutations to him whose form is golden. Om Shri Sarvatmane Namah. Salutations to him who is the Atman of all. Om Shri Jnana Rupaya Namah. Salutations to him who is of the form of knowledge. Om Shri Jagan Mayaya Namah. Salutations to him who is formed of the universe. Om Shri Udvaretase Namah. Salutations to him whose force and energy flow upwards. Om Shri Mahabhahave Namah. Salutations to him who has great arms. Om Shri Ameyayam Namah. Salutations to him who is formed of nothing. Om Shri Amita Vikramaya Namah. Salutations to him who is the great step. Om Shri Veda Vedyaya Namah. Salutations to him who is the knower of the Vedas. Om Shri Mahakalaya Namah. Salutations to him who is the great time. Om Shri Vidya Nidhaye Namah. Salutations to him who is the ocean of knowledge. Om Shri Annam Maya Namah. Salutations to him who is formed of food. Om Shri Sarvajñaya Namah. Salutations to him who is all knowledge. Om Shri Sarvagaya Namah. Salutations to him who goes everywhere. Om Shri Shantaya Namah. Salutations to him who is peace. Om Shri Gajasyaya Namah. Salutations to him who is of the elephant. Om Shri Chitteshwaraya Namah. Salutations to him who is the Lord of Chitta. Om Shri Vigatta Jvaraya Namah. Om Shri Vishwamurtaye Namah. Salutations to him who is of the form of the universe. Om Shri Ameyatmane Namah. Salutations to him who is the unmeasurable Atman. Om Shri Vishwadharaya Namah. Salutations to him who supports the universe. Om Shri Sanatanaya Namah. Salutations to him who is ancient and eternal. Om Shri Samadhaya Namah. Salutations to him who is approached to the Samaveda hymns. Om Shri Priyaya
Everybody
Namah.
doing that. Olympia.
Salutations to him who is
Olympia.
loved. Om Shri Mantrine
Everybody
Namah.
doing.
Salutations to him who is possessed of mantras.
Come.
Om Shri Sattvadharaya Namah. Salutations to him who supports Sattva.
You
Om
show
Shri
them how to do it. Come
Suradhishaya
now.
Namah.
Now show them.
Salutations to him who is the king of the Suras or Devas. Om Shri Samasta Sakshine Namah. Salutations to him who is the witnesser of all. Om Shri Nirdvandvaya Namah. Salutations to him who is non-dual. Om Shri Nirlokaya Namah. Salutations to him who is beyond the worlds. Om Shri Amogha Vikramaya Namah. Salutations to him who is the great step. Om Shri Nirmalaya Namah. Salutations to him who is without flaw. Om Shri Punyaya Namah. Salutations to him who is all the good deeds. Om Shri Kamadaya Namah. Salutations to him who is the bestower of desire. Om Shri Kanti Daya Namah. Salutations to him who is the bestower of pleasing appearance. Om Shri Kama Rupine Namah. Salutations to him who is of the form of desire. Om Shri Kama Poshine Namah. Salutations to him who fulfills desires. Om Shri Kamal Akshaya Namah. Salutations to him who has wings like eyes. Om Shri Gajananaya Namah. Salutations to him who has the face of an elephant. Om Shri Sumukhaya Namah. Salutations to him whose face is pleasing. Om Shri Sharmadaya Namah. Om Shri Mushakadhipa Vahanaya Namah. Salutations to him who has the king of the mice as his Vahana or vehicle.
Done.
Om Shri Shuddhaya Namah. Salutations to him who is pure. Om Shri Dhirgatundaya Namah. Salutations to him whose trunk is bent. Om
Done.
Shri Shri Pataye Namah.
Now see your
Salutations to
vibrations.
him who is the Lord of Shri. Om Shri Anantaya Namah. Salutations to him
How
who
is
is
it?
eternal. Om Shri Moha Varjataya Namah. Salutations to
Olympia?
him who is bereft of confusion. Om Shri Vakratundaya Namah. Salutations to him whose trunk is bent. Om Shri Shrupa Karnaya Namah.
So everybody should put it
Salutations
little
to
bit
him
here.
whose ears are
Put
like
it
the
on your
winnowing
head.
sands.
Put it on
Om
your
Shri
head.
Paramaya Namah. Salutations to the
That's it.
Supreme One. Om Shri Yogi Shaya
Now.
Namah. Salutation to the Lord of Yogis. Om Shri Yoga Dhane Namah. Salutations to the abode of
So
yoga.
now, don't go.
Om
You
Shri
must
Uma
always sit
Sataya
here.
Namah. Salutations to the son of
You all
Uma.
have to become
Om
great
Shri
surgeons, isn't it?
Apadhantre Namah. Om Shri
all the children are
Ekadantaya
sitting
Namah. Salutations to him who has but one tooth.
And वो
Om
मेरे
Shri
पूछे
Mahagrivaya Namah.
वो
Salutations
सच्ची जो
to
ऐसे
him whose
पूछे
neck is great. Om Shri Sharanyaya Namah. Salutations to him who is
सब
refuge.
पूछेंगे
Om Shri
सबका
Siddha Senaya Namah. Salutations to
वर्कर
him
कौन
who is
का
the accomplished soldier. Om Shri Siddha Vedaya Namah. Salutations to him who has accomplished the Vedas. Om Shri Karunaya Namah. Salutations
Now
to him
let
who is
others come.
compassion.
Alright?
Om Shri Siddhaye Namah. Salutations to him
अच्छा, give it to her.
who is that which has been
Now
accomplished.
dad, now let others come. Olympia?
Om Shri
Olympia?
Bhagavate Namah. Salutations to the fortunate and auspicious one.
Go and sit
Om
there.
Shri
All of you
Abhyagraya
sit like
Namah.
this. Now we have to have the fire,
Om
alright?
Shri
Sit
Vikitaya
down
Vikataya
near the
Namah.
fire.
Om Shri Kapilaya Namah. Salutations to him who is Kapila. Om Shri Dundehi Rajaya Namah. Salutations to him who is the Lord of the great drum. Om Shri Ugraya Namah. Salutations to him who is fierce. Om Shri Bhimo Dharaya Namah. Salutations to him whose belly is tremendous. Om Shri Shubhaya Namah. Salutations to him who is auspicious. Om Shri Gana Adhyakshaya Namah. Salutations to him who overlooks the Ganas. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Salutations to him who is the Lord of the Ganas. Om Shri Ganaradhyaya Namah. Salutations to him who should be praised by the Ganas. Om Shri Gananayakaya Namah. Salutations to him who leads the Ganas. Om Shri Jyoti Swarupaya Namah. Salutations to him who is of the form of light. Om Shri Bhutatmane Namah. Salutations to him who is the Atman of all created beings. Om Shri Dhumraketave Namah. Salutations to him whose banner is smoky. Om Shri Anukulaya Namah. Om Shri Kumara Gurave Namah. Salutations to him who is the Guru, who is a boy. Om Shri Anandaya Namah. Salutations to him who is bliss. Om Shri Herambaya Namah. Om Shri Vedasputaya Namah. Salutations to him who is praised in the Vedas, who is sung in the Vedas. Om Shri Naga Yajñopavittine Namah. Salutations to him who wears a snake as a sacred thread. Om Shri Dhurdharshaya Namah. Om Shri Bala Durvankura Priyaya Namah. Salutations to him who is formed of the young small kusha grass. Om Shri Bhala Chandraya Namah. Salutation to him who sports the crescent moon on his forehead. Om Shri Vishwadhatre Namah. Salutations to him who supports the universe. Om Shri Shiva Putraya Namah. Salutations to the auspicious son of
Support
Shiva.
of the universe. Mahavishnu. See?
Om Shri Vinayakaya Namah. Salutations to him who is the remover of obstacles. Om Shri Leela Sevataya Namah. Salutations to him who is served by play or Leela. Om Shri Purnaya Namah. Salutations to him who is complete. Om Shri Paramasundaraya Namah. Salutations to him who is the supreme beauty. Om Shri Vighnandhakaraya Namah. Om Shri Sindura Vadanaya Namah. Om Shri Nityaya Namah. Salutations to him who is eternal. Om Shri Vibhave Namah. Salutations to him who is glorious. Om Shri Pratama Pujitaya Namah. Salutations to him who should be worshipped first. Om Shri Divya Padabjaya Namah. Om Shri Bhakta Mandaraya Namah. Om Shri Shura Mahaya Namah. Om Shri Ratna Singhasanaya Namah. Salutations to him who sits on a jeweled lion throne. Om Shri Mani Kundala Manditaya Namah. Salutations to him who is adorned with earrings of rubies. Om Shri Bhakta Kalyanaya Namah. Salutations to him who evolves and develops one's devotion. Om Shri Ameyaya Namah. Salutations to the unmeasurable one. Om Shri Kalyana Gurave Namah. Salutations to the Guru of evolution and development. Om Shri Sasva Shishne Namah. Salutations to him who has 1,000 heads. Om Shri Mahaganapataye Namah. Salutations to the great Lord of the Ganas. Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Bhagavati Mata Shri Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah.
कपड़ा 5%. इसे काम
Sarva Kama Nirvignasi Dviputra Dhana Dhanya Samriddhi Dwara Prati Varshika Vihitam Shri Siddhi Vinayaka Devata Prityatham Dhyana Vahana Dishoda Shopa Charai Pujam Karishya Ekadantam Shubha Karnam Gaja Vatram Chaturbhujam Pasham Ankushadharam Devam Jayet Siddhi Vinayakam Raktam Bodhi Stato Saptapolo Tola Sadaruna Sarojida Rudha Karabjhaya Pashan Kodamdha Bhikshu Bhava Matha Guna Mapyan Kusham Panchabanan Vibhrana Srikva Palam Trinayana Nalasita Pina Vakshoru Hadhya Devi Bala Kavarna Bhavattu Sukha Kari Prana Shakti Parana. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah Pada Pujayami. Om Shri Isha Putraya Namah Gopal Pujayami. Om Shri Vigna Rajaya Namah Januni Pujayami. Om Shri Akhu Vahanaya Namah Uru Pujayami. Om Shri Herambaya Namah Kati Pujayami. Om Shri Kama Marisu Nave Namah Navin Pujayami. Om Shri Lambodharaya Namah Udaran Pujayami. Om Shri Gari Sataya Namah Stana Pujayami. Om Shri Gananayakaya Namah Hadayan Pujayami. Om Shri Stula Kantaya Namah Kantan Pujayami. Om Shri Skandagrajaya Namah Skandha Pujayami. Om Shri Pasha Hastaya Namah Hastan Pujayami. Om Shri Gajavaktaya Namah Vaktan Pujayami. Om Shri Vigna
among
Hatre
the
Namah
foreign ladies.
Lalatam Pujayami. Om Shri Sarveshwaraya Namah Shira Pujayami. Om Shri Ganadipaya Namah Sarvangan Pujayami.
I think Fran and her husband has not washed my feet.
Mit deiner Frau, hast du die Füße von Sri Mataji schon gewaschen?
Ladies, among ladies now. Have you washed my feet? Has he?
Yes, not.
Just little. And Fran, I think Fran and those two, Ian and Fran.
Ian and Fran.
They haven't.
Du hast schon gewaschen.
Ian and Fran.
Ian? Was?
Ian and Fran. Kamala, you come.
Ian and Fran.
Tam Durve Mata Sampane Shatam Mule Shatam Kure Shatam Nashaya Papani Dirga Yushyam Chade Ime Yantu Deva Gana Sarve Puja Madaya Partivi Ishta Kama Prasidhya Thanpur Naraga Manaya Cha Mangala Murti Muraya Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Bhagavati Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah.
Now
At the back of the
names.
book,
Devi's names.
108 names of Sri Ganesh. At the back. 108 names.
Finished. Done. Now Devi's names. तसली देवीचीच आज तुम्ही करणार इथे देवीचं करा नाही जे म्हणाल ते तुम्हाला देवीचंच बरं नाही का सो You can read the names of Sri Vishnu at this time because they want to do Havan with Devi's names.
Vishnu Sahasranam also.
Out of that. आता सध्या विष्णूची नावं घेतो आणि मग तिथे देवीचं नाव घेतो. देवीचंच पाहिजे ना. छान.
शांताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्.
Also let them say Guru Brahma, they know, I think that mantra.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma, Shri Mataji Nirmala Ma, Tasme Shri Guruve Namah. Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Bhagavati Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Om Shri Vishwasmaya Namah. Om Shri Vishnave Namah. Om Shri Vashatkaraya Namah. Om Shri Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhave Namah. Om Shri Bhuta Kate Namah. Om Shri Bhuta Bhute Namah. Om Shri Bhavaya Namah. Om Shri Bhutatmane Namah. Om Shri Bhuta Bhavanaya Namah. Om Shri Bhutatmane Namah. Om Shri Paramatmane Namah. Om Shri Muktanang Paramagataye Namah. Om Shri Avyaya Namah. Om Shri Purushaya Namah. Om Shri Sakshine Namah. Om Shri Kshetrajnaya Namah. Om Shri Aksharaya Namah. Om Shri Yogaya Namah. Om Shri Yoga Vedam Netre Namah. Om Shri Pradhana Purusheshwaraya Namah. Om Shri Narasingha Vapushe Namah. Om Shri Srimate Namah. Om Shri Keshavaya Namah. Om Shri Purushottamaya Namah. Om Shri Sarvaya Namah. Om Shri Sharvaya Namah. Om Shri Shivaya Namah. Om Shri Sthanave Namah. Om Shri Bhutadaya Namah. Om Shri Nidaye Vyaya Namah. Om Shri Sambhavaya Namah. Om Shri Bhavaya Namah. Om Shri Bharatre Namah. Om Shri Prabhavaya Namah. Om Shri Prabhave Namah. Om Shri Ishwaraya Namah. Om Shri Swayambhuve Namah. Om Shri Shambhave Namah. Om Shri Adityaya Namah. Om Shri Pushkarakshaya Namah. Om Shri Mahasvanaya Namah. Om Shri Anadinidanaya Namah. Om Shri Dhatre Namah. Om Shri Vidhatre Namah. Om Shri Dhaturuttamaya Namah. Om Shri Akramayaya Namah. Om Shri Rishikeshaya Namah. Om Shri Padmanabhaya Namah. Om Shri Amara Prabhave Namah. Om Shri Vishwakarmane Namah. Om Shri Manave Namah. Om Shri Tashtvastre Namah. Om Shri Stavishtaya Namah. Om Shri Staviraya Yadhruvaya Namah. Shri Agrahaya Namah. Shri Shashvataya Namah. Shri Krishnaya Namah. Shri Lohitakshaya Namah. Om Shri Prakalpanaya Namah. Shri Prabhutaya Namah. Shri Trikakubdhamne Namah. Shri Pavitraya Namah. Shri Mangalaya Paraya Namah. Shri Ishanaya Namah. Shri Pranadaya Namah. Shri Pranaya Namah. Shri Jeshtaya Namah. Shri Shrestaya Namah. Shri Prajapataye Namah. Shri Hiranyagarbhaya Namah. Shri Bhugarbhaya Namah. Shri Madhavaya Namah. Om Shri Madhusudanaya Namah. Shri Ishwaraya Namah. Shri Vikramine Namah. Shri Dhanvine Namah. Shri Medhanvine Namah. Om Shri Vikramaya Namah. Shri Kramaya Namah. Shri Anuttamaya Namah.
Husband and wife is better.
Om Shri Duradharshaya Namah. Shri Kritajnaya Namah. Shri Kritaye Namah. Shri Atma Vate Namah. Shri Sureshaya Shri Sharanaya Shri Sharmane Namah. Shri Vishwarate Namah. Shri Prajabhavaya Namah. Om Shri Anhe Namah. Shri Sanvatsvaraya Namah. Shri Avyalaya Namah. Shri Pratya Namah. Shri Pratyaya Namah. Shri Sarvadarshana Namah. Shri Ajaya Namah. Shri Sarveshwaraya Namah. Shri Siddhaya Namah. Shri Siddhaya Namah. Shri Sarvadaya Namah. Shri Achyutaya Namah. Shri Krishakapaya Namah. Shri Ameyatmane Namah. Shri Sarva Yoga Vinismritaya Namah. Shri Vasave Namah. Shri Vasumanase Namah. Shri Satyaya Namah. Shri Samatmane Namah. Om Shri Samnitaya Namah. Shri Sammaya Namah. Shri Amoghaya Namah. Shri Pundari Kakshaya Namah. Shri Vishwakarmane Namah. Om Shri Vishakataye Namah. Om Shri Rudraya Namah. Shri Babhushirase Namah. Shri Bhadrave Namah. Om Shri Vishwayonaye Namah. Shri Shuchishravase Namah. Om Shri Amritaya Namah. Shri Shashvatasthanave Namah. Shri Vararohaya Namah. Shri Mahatapase Namah. Shri Sarvangaya Namah. Shri Sarvavidhanave Namah. Shri Vishwatsenaya Namah. Shri Janardanayam. Shri Vedayam. Shri Veda Videnam. Shri Avyangayam. Shri Vedangayam. Shri Veda Vide Namah. Om Shri Kavaye Namah. Shri Lokadhyakshayam. Shri Suradhyakshayam. Shri Dhammadhyakshayam Namah. Shri Katarketayam. Shri Chaturatmanayam. Shri Chaturvyuhayam. Shri Chaturdangstrayam. Shri Chaturbhujayam. Shri Brajishnave Namah. Om Shri Bhojanaya Namah. Shri Bhoktre Namah. Shri Sahishnave Namah. Om Shri Jagat Adi Jayanam Shri Anaghayanam Shri Vijayanam Shri Jetranam Shri Vishwayanam Shri Punarvasavenam Shri Apendranam Shri Vamanayam Shri Prankshavenam Shri Amoghayanam Shri Shachayanam Shri Ujjattayanam Shri Atindrayanam Shri Sangrahayanam Shri Sargayanam Shri Tatatmanayam Shri Niyamayam Shri Nyayamayanam Shri Vedyayanam Shri Vaidyayanam Shri Sada Yogine Namah Shri Viragninam Shri Madhavam Shri Madhavenam Shri Atindrayam Shri Mahamayam Shri Mahotsahayam Om Shri Mahabalayam Shri Mahabudhayam Shri Mahaviryayam Shri Mahashaktayam Shri Mahajutayam Namah Om Shri Nirdeshya Vapushenam Shri Srimate Namam Shri Ameyatmanenam Shri Mahadi Ridrashenam Shri Maheshwasayanam Shri Mahebhatre Namam Shri Srinivasayanam Shri Ratangatayam Namah Shri Satangatam Shri Aniruddhayam Shri Suranandayam Shri Govindayam Shri Govindapatayam Namah Om Shri Marichayanam Shri Davam Damanayanam Shri Dhangsayam Shri Supanayanam Shri Puja Gotamayam Shri Hiranya Nabham Shri Sutapasenam Shri Padma Nabhaya Namah Shri Prajapataye Namah Shri Amrityave Namah Shri Sarvadrshenam Shri Singhayam Shri Sandhatrenam Shri Sandhimatenam Shri Sterayam Namah Shri Ajjayanam Shri Dhurmakshanayam Shri Shastre Namah Shri Vishwatatvanam Shri Surarigne Namah Om Shri Gurave Namah Shri Guruttamaya Namah Shri Dhamne Namah Shri Satyayam Shri Satyaparakramayam Shri Nimishayam Shri Animishanam Shri Sravvinenam Shri Vachaspataya Udaradhye Namah Shri Agniya Namah Shri Ramanye Namah Shri Srimate Namah Shri Nyaya Namah Om Shri Netre Namah Shri Samirana Namah Shri Sahasrambhutne Namah Shri Vishwatmane Namah Shri Sahasraksham Shri Sahasrapade Namah Shri Sarvasthanaya Namah Shri Avartanaya Namah Om Shri Nivrutatmane Namah Shri Sanghritam Shri Sankramadana Shri Ahasamvartakaya Namah Om Shri Vanaye Namaha Om Shri Nilayanam Shri Dharanidharayanam Shri Suprasadayam Shri Prasanatmanayam Shri Vishwadushenam Shri Vishwadujenam Shri Vibhave Namaha Om Shri Satkatre Namah Shri Satkatayam Shri Sadhavenam Shri Jhanavenam Shri Narayanam Shri Narayanam Shri Sankhyayanam Shri Aprameyatmanenam Shri Vishishtayanam Shri Shishtakataye Namam Shri Shuchayanam Shri Siddharthayanam Om Shri Siddha Sankopaya Namah Om Shri Siddhidayanam Shri Siddhi Sadhanaya Namah Shri Vishrahine Namah Om Shri Vishrabhaya Namah Shri Vishnave Namah Shri Vishrava Parvanaya Namah Om Shri Vishodharam Shri Vardhanayam Shri Vardhamanam Shri Viviktam Shri Shruti Sagaram Shri Subhujaya Namah Shri Dhurdharayanam Shri Vagminenam Shri Mahendrayanam Shri Vasudhayanam Shri Vasavenam Shri Naika Rupam Shri Brihat Rupaya Namah Om Shri Shri Vishtanam Shri Prakashanam Shri Ojas Tejo Jyoti Dharanam Shri Prakashatmanam Shri Vratapanam Shri Vidhayanam Shri Spashtaksharanam Shri Mantrayanam Shri Chandram Shavenam Shri Bhaskara Jyutayanam Shri Amritam Shabdha Bhavanam Shri Bhanavenam Shri Shashi Bindavenam Shri Sureshwaram Shri Aushadhayanam Shri Jagat Setavenam Om Shri Satya Dharma Parakramanam Shri Bhaga Bhuta Bhavya Bhavanaya Namah Om Shri Bhavanayam Shri Pavanam Shri Annalayam Shri Kamadnayam Shri Kamakratam Shri Kantam Shri Kamayam Shri Kamapradayam Shri Prabhavayam Shri Yoga Dhikatanam Shri Yoga Vartaya Namah Om Shri Naika Mayam Nam Shri Mahashanayam Shri Uddrishyaya Namah Om Shri Avyakta Rupam Shri Sahasra Jitanam Shri Ananta Jitanam Shri Ishtaya Namah Shri Vishishtaya Namah Shri Shishteshtayam Shri Shikhandine Namah Shri Bahushayanam Shri Vrashayanam Shri Krodhagnenam Shri Krodhakatre Namah Om Shri Vishwabhavenam Shri Mahedharam Shri Achyutayam Shri Pratyutayam Shri Pranayam Shri Pranadayanam Om Shri Vasavanujayam Shri Apad Nidhayanam Shri Adhipshtanayam Shri Apramatayam Shri Pratishtitayam Shri Skandayam Shri Skandadharanam Shri Dhuryam Shri Varadayam Shri Vayuvanayam Shri Vasudevayam Shri Bhradvanave Namah Shri Adidevayam Shri Purandaram Shri Ashokaya Namah Om Shri Taranayam Shri Tarayam Shri Shurayam Shri Sharayam Shri Janeshwarayam Shri Anukulaya Namah Om Shri Shatavartayam Shri Padminenam Shri Padmanibhekshanayam Shri Padmanavam Shri Aravindaksham Shri Padmadharbhaya Namah Shri Sharira Bhadde Namah Shri Mahardha Bhuye Namah Shri Mahardati Vruddhaye Namah Shri Vruddhaye Namah Vruddhaya Namah Shri Vruddhatmane Shri Mahakshan Shri Garuda Dvajaya Namah Shri Abdulam Shri Sarabhaya Namah Shri Bhimayam Shri Samajnanjnaya Namah Shri Havir Haraye Namah Shri Sarva Lakshana Lakshanyaya Namah Shri Lakshmi Vateram Shri Samitij Savitinjayam Namah Shri Viksharam Shri Srovitayam Shri Madhahetve Namah Shri Damodaram Shri Srahayam Shri Mahedharaya Namah Om Shri Mahabhagayam Shri Begavate Namah Shri Abhita Shanayam Shri Udbhavayam Shri Shobhanayam Shri Devayam Shri Sridharvayam Shri Parameshwarayam Shri Karunayam Shri Karanayam Namah Shri Katre Namah Shri Vikatre Namah Shri Gahanayam Namah Shri Guhayam Shri Gavasvayam Shri Gavasthanayam Shri Sansthanayam Namah Shri Staradaya Namah Om Shri Dhruvayam Shri Paradhayanam Shri Paramayanam Shri Spashtayam Shri Tushtam Shri Tushtayam Shri Shubhekshanam Shri Sramayam Shri Viramayam Shri Virajasenam Shri Magaya Namah Shri Neyanam Shri Nayanam Shri Annaya Namah Om Shri Virayam Shri Shaktimatam Shreshtam Shri Dharmayam Shri Dharma Vidruttamanam Shri Vaikunthanam Shri Purusham Shri Pranam Shri Pranadayanam Shri Pranavaya Namah Shri Prithave Namah Shri Hiranya Dharvayanam Shri Shatrughnaya Namah Om Shri Vyaptayanam Shri Vayavenam Shri Alpokshajayanam Shri Vitayanam Durtavenam Shri Sudarshanam Shri Kalayam Shri Parameshtinam Shri Parigrahaya Namah Shri Ugranam Shri Sattvasam Samvatsaranam Shri Dakshaya Namah Shri Vishwamanam Shri Vishwadakshaya Namah Om Shri Vistarayanam Shri Stavarasthanave Namah Shri Pramanayam Shri Maha Om Shri Bija Madhyaya Namah Shri Arthayam Shri Anathayam Shri Mahakoshaya Namah Om Shri Mahabhogayanam Shri Mahadhanayam Shri Anirvinayanam Shri Bhavishtaya Namah Om Shri Abhuvenam Shri Dharma Yupayanam Shri Mahamakhayam Shri Nakshatra Nenine Namah Shri Nakshatrine Namah Shri Shamayam Shri Kshamayam Shri Samihanaya Namah Shri Yajnayam Shri Gijayam Shri Mahejayam Shri Kritaye Luttave Namah Shri Satrayam Shri Satangatayam Shri Sarvadarshinem Shri Vimuktatmanem Shri Sarvajnaya Namah Shri Gyanamuttane Maya Namah Shri Suvratayam Shri Sumukhan Shri Sukshman Shri Sughosham Shri Sukadayam Shri Suradanam Shri Manoharam Shri Jittakrodaya Namah Om Shri Vira Vahavenam Shri Vidaranaya Namah Om Shri Swapanaya Namah Shri Swavashaya Namah Shri Vyapinam Shri Naikatmanam Shri Naikakarmakritenam Shri Vatsaram Shri Vatsalam Shri Vatsinam Shri Vatnagarbhaya Namah Om Shri Dhaneshwaram Shri Dharma Gupenam Shri Dharma Kritenam Shri Dharminam Shri Sattenam Shri Asattenam Shri Ksharaya Namah Om Shri Aksharaya Namah Shri Vijñatre Namah Shri Sahasrankshavenam Shri Vidhatvenam Shri Kutta Lakshanam Shri Gavasti Nemaya Namah Shri Satvasthayanam Shri Singhaya Namah Shri Bhuta Maheshwarayam Namah Shri Adi Devayam Shri Mahadevayam Shri Deveshaya Namah Shri Deva Bhrugyurave Namah Shri Uttaraya Namah Shri Gopataye Namah Shri Goptre Namah Om Shri Dhyana Gamyam Shri Purathanam Shri Sharira Bhuta Bhuttenam Shri Goptrenam Shri Kapindram Shri Bhuri Dakshananam Shri Somapayam Shri Amritapayanam Tapayam Shri Somayam Shri Purujitrenam Shri Puru Saptamaya Namam Shri Vinaya Namam Shri Jaya Namam Shri Satya Sandhaya Namam Shri Dash Sharhaya Namam Shri Dvatam Pataya Namam Shri Jivayam Shri Vinaya Yista Sakshane Namam Shri Mukundayam Shri Amrita Vikramayam Shri Ambodhidayanam Shri Anantatmanenam Shri Mahadev Om Shri Mahodhadhishaya Namam Shri Om Shri Antakaya Namam Shri Ajaya Namam Shri Mahadhaya Namam Shri Swabhavyayam Shri Chittamitraya Namam Shri Pramodhanayam Shri Anandayam Shri Nandanayam Shri Nandaya Namam Om Shri Satya Dharminenam Shri Trivikramanam Shri Maharishi Kapilacharyam Shri Kritajnam Shri Medini Pattayanam Shri Tripadayam Shri Tridashadhyaksham Shri Mahashinyam Shri Kritanta Kritenam Shri Mahavahayanam Shri Govindam Shri Sushenam Shri Kanakangadinenam Shri Guhyayam Shri Gambhirayam Shri Gahanam Shri Guptayam Shri Gadadharanam Shri Vedasenam Shri Swangam Shri Achyutanam Shri Krishnayanam Shri Vidhayanam Shri Sankarshananam Shri Akshatam Shri Varunam Shri Varanam Shri Vriksham Shri Pushkarakshayanam Shri Mahamanasenam Shri Bhagavate Namam Om Shri Bhagavate Namah.
हे पाणी कुठे बाधित व्हावे
Om Shri Anandine Namaha. Om Shri Vanamarine Namaha.
एखादी जमिनीत वगैरे
Halayudhaya Namaha. Shri Adityaya Shri Jyotir
वनस्पती
Adityaya Namaha. Shri
ह्या कशी
Vaishnave
चव्हाण कशी
Namaha. Shri
झाल्या
Datti Satsamaya Namaha. Shri Sudham Vanenam Shri Khanda Parashave Namaha. Shri Darunanam Shri Dravina Pradaya Namaha. Shri Devasparshe Namaha. Shri Sarvadrubhyasam Shri Vachaspatayanam Shri Ayonijayanam Shri Presamne Namaha. Om Shri Samagayanam Shri Samayam Shri Nirvanam Shri Bheshajayanam Shri Bheshajayanam Om Shri Sannyasa Kritenam Shri Shamayam Shri Shatrayanam Shri Nishta Shanti Parayanam Shri Shubhangam Shri Shanti Dayanam Shri Srastrenam Shri Kumadayanam Shri Govaleshayanam Shri Govitayam Shri Gopataye Namaha Om Shri Gopre Namam Shri Vrishabhakshayanam Shri Vrishapriyayanam Shri Anirvaktine Namaha Shri Nivratapmanam Shri Sankshetre Namam Shri Kshema Krite Namam Shri Shivaya Namam Shri Vatsavakshase Namam Shri Shivasayam Shri Shripatayam Shri Srimatangaram Shri Sridham Shri Shayam Shri Srinivasayam Shri Nidhaye Namam Shri Shrivabhavanaya Namam Shri Sridharanam Shri Shrikaranam Shri Shreyasenam Shri Srimatenam Shri Loka Traya Shraya Namah Shri Swaksham Shri Swangam Shri Swaganandayanam Shri Nandinam Shri Jyotirneshwaranam Shri Vijayatatmanam Shri Videyatmanam Shri Satkirtaye Namah Shri Chinna Sanshayanam Shri Udirnaya Namah Om Shri Sarva Takshakshushenam Shri Anishayam Shri Shashvatastiraya Namah Shri Bhushaya Namah Shri Bhushanam Shri Bhutayam Shri Vishokayam Shri Shoka Nashanayam Shri Archishmatenam Shri Architayam Shri Kumbhayam Shri Vishwadhatmane Namah Shri Vishodhanayam Shri Anirudhayanam Shri Apratiratayanam Shri Pradyumnayanam Shri Amita Vikramanam Shri Kala Nemi Nikne Namam Shri Virayam Shri Sharaya Namah Shri Shurajaneshwarayam Shri Trilokatmanenam Shri Trilokeshayam Shri Keshavanam Shri Keshignenam Shri Harayanam Shri Kamadevam Shri Kamapalayam Shri Kaminenam Shri Kantayanam Shri Kattagamayam Shri Anirdesha Vapushe Namah Om Shri Vishnave Namah Shri Virayanam Shri Anantayam Shri Dhananjayanam Shri Brahmanyayam Shri Brahma Katenam Shri Brahminenam Shri Brahmanenam Shri Brahma Vivardhanaya Shri Brahma Videnam Shri Brahmana Shri Brahmanenam Shri Brahmajnana Shri Brahmana Vyanam Shri Mahakarma Shri Mahakarmanaya Namam Shri Mahadejase Namah Shri Mahoragram Shri Mahataye Namam Shri Mahayajvanenam Shri Mahayajvanam Shri Mahavishenam Shri Stavyayanam Shri Stavapriyaya Namah Shri Stotrayanam Shri Stotrayanam Shri Stotre Namam Shri Pranapriyaya Namah Shri Purnaya Namam Shri Purayatre Namam Shri Punyayam Shri Punyakirtaye Namah Om Shri Anamayanam Shri Manojavayanam Shri Tirthakaram Shri Vasuresasenam Shri Vasupradayam Shri Vasupradayam Shri Vasudevayam Namah Shri Vasudevaya Shri Vasuvinam Shri Vasumanasenam Shri Habhushenam Shri Satkatayanam Satkatayanam Shri Sattayanam Shri Satbhutayam Shri Satparanayam Shri Surasenayanam Shri Yadushreshtayam Shri Sannivasayanam Shri Suyamunayanam Shri Bhutavasayam Shri Vasudevayam Shri Sarva Sunilayam Shri Analayam Shri Dhartanayam Shri Dhartanayam Shri Aptatayam Shri Durvayam Namah Shri Champarajitayam Shri Vishwamurtayam Shri Mahamurtayam Shri Diktamurtayam Shri Amurtimate Namah Om Shri Aneka Murtayam Shri Avyakayam Shri Shaktamurtayam Shri Shatananayam Shri Ekayam Shri Laikayam Shri Sarvayam Shri Kayanam Shri Kasmayam Shri Yasmayam Shri Tasmayam Om Shri Padamanuttamayam Namah Om Shri Loka Bandhavayam Shri Lokanatayam Shri Madhavayam Shri Bhaktavatsalaям Shri Suparnavayam Shri Hemangayam Shri Bharatayam Shri Shabdanangid Nangadine Namam Shri Veratanam Shri Vishamayam Shri Shunyayam Shri Prata Shri Shenam Shri Achalam Shri Chalayam Shri Amin Kamaninenam Shri Manadam Shri Manayam Shri Lokaswami Namam Shri Lokatrishya Namam Shri Sumedase Namam Om Shri Medajayam Shri Dhyayam Shri Satyamedhasenam Shri Dharadharaya Namah Shri Tejo Vishyayam Shri Jyoti Dharayam Shri
शस्त्राभ्युत्थान वरायणं च प्रग्रहायं श्री निग्रहायं श्री
हे कुठे
व्यग्रायं
फलटण कर
श्री नायकश्चिन्यां श्री गदाधरां श्री चतुर्मूर्तायं श्री चतुर्भावेनं चतुर्विहायं श्री चतुर्दशायं श्री चतुरात्मनें श्री चतुर्भावायं श्री चतुर्वेदविदेनं श्री एकपदेनं श्री सर्वमावत्तायं श्री निवृत्तात्मनें श्री दुर्जायं श्री दुरातिक्रमाणां श्री दुर्लभां श्री दुर्गमां श्री दुर्गां श्री दुराभासां श्री दुरा विघ्नेन श्री शुभांगां श्री लोकसारंगां श्री सुक्तांतवे नमः। ओम श्री तंतु वर्धनां श्री इंद्रकर्मणे नमः श्री महाकर्मणे श्री कृतकर्मणे श्री कृतागमाय श्री उद्भवां श्री सुंदरां श्री सुंदरां श्री रत्ननाभां श्री सुलोचनां श्री अर्काय श्री वाजसनां श्री सुंदराय नमः श्री श्रृंगिने नमः श्री जयंताय नमः श्री सर्वविजयोगिने नमः अक्षोभ्यां श्री सुवर्णाभिन्दवे नमः श्री सर्ववागीश्वरेश्वराय नमः श्री महागदाय नमः श्री महागर्ताय नमः श्री महाभूताय नमः श्री महानिधाय नमः श्री कुमुदाय नमः श्री गंधराय नमः श्री कुमुदाय श्री पर्जन्याय श्री पावनां श्री नीलां श्री अमृतां शिवे नमः अमृतावपुषे नमः श्री सर्वज्ञाय श्री सर्वतो मुखाय नमः
तुम्ही एकटे जात
श्री सुलभाय नमः श्री सुव्रताय श्री सिद्धाय नमः श्री शत्रुजिते नमः श्री शत्रुतापनाय नमः श्री व्याघ्रताय श्री कुदम्बराय श्री अश्वत्थाय नमः श्री चंद्रांगा निश्चुतनाय नमः श्री सहस्रशिषे नमः श्री सप्तजीवाय नमः सप्तवानाय श्री अमृताय नमः श्री अनंताय नमः श्री अचिंत्याय श्री भायाकृते नमः श्री माया भाया नाशनाय श्री अनवे नमः श्री भक्ते नमः श्री कृष्णाय नमः श्री
मुसलवाडी त्यांना बोला
श्री निर्गुणाय श्री भक्ते नमः
आता काय आहे माझं
श्री प्रागुंशे वंशाय नमः श्री वंशवर्धनाय श्री भारतकृते नमः श्री कथेताय नमः श्री योगिने श्री शामान नमः श्री सुखानाय नमः श्री आवायुवानाय श्री धनुर्धराय श्री धनुर्वेदाय नमः श्री रमाय महा
तुम्ही डोक्या लावला पटकन कर तुम्ही आता ह्यांचं उद्या मग आपण तुमच्या मिसेसला बोलूया या तुम्ही दोघं तुमच्या कुठेच मिसेस बोला तुम्ही पटकन कर तुम्ही इकडे तुमच्या मिसेसला बोलूया मिस्टर मिसेस शियालो तुमच्या आल्या रे तुमच्या पण आहेत या वा कसं काय बघा ना सगळ्यांना चेहरा बघा तुमचा आणखी बघा कोण कोण आहे आपले इथे सगळे बघा
सदा मर्चिष्यने नमः सदा मर्षिणे श्री लोकाधिष्ठानाय अद्भुतां श्री सनातनाय नमः ओम श्री सनातनात्माय नमः श्री कपिलाय श्री कपाय श्री अव्ययाय श्री स्वस्तिदाय नमः श्री स्वस्तिकृते नमः श्री स्वस्तिने नमः श्री स्वस्ति भुजे श्री स्वस्ति रक्षणाय श्री अरौद्राय नमः श्री कंदलाय कुंडलिने नमः श्री चक्रिणे श्री विक्रमिणे श्री शब्दाधिगाय श्री शब्दासाय श्री सर्वविकराय श्री अक्रूराय नमः श्री पेशवाय श्री दक्षाय श्री
आता बरं आहे ना उजव्या पार केलं दोघांनी आता तुम्ही या तुमच्या मिसेस आता सोडून द्या मिस्टर मिसेस या म्हणजे बरं नसल्या मिसेस तर मग एक एक पार केलं तर चालेल तुम्ही उजव्या पार करा जोराने असं रगडून घ्या छान वाटते कसा धरतोय का तो काय धरतोय का म्हटलं
Urdhvadanshi Tathacharanshi Pranadanshi Pranadanshi Pranayanamshi Pramanamshi Prananilayanamshi Pranabhutenshi Pranajivanamshi Tattvayanshi Tattvayanshi Ekasyanshi Janmamchu Jarati Gayanshi Bhurbhuvasvastaranshi Sapitrenamshi Pratitha Mahayanamshi Yajnamshi Yajnapattayanamshi Yajvainenamshi Yajnyanganamshi Yajnavahanamshi Yajnabhutenamshi Yajnapitayamshi Yajnanamshi Yajnabhujanamshi Yajnasaranamshi Yajnyantakritamshi Yajnaduyanamshi Yanayanamaha Namshanadayanamshi Anamayonayanshi Swayanjatanamshi Vaikhanamshi Samadhayanamshi Devadriyandanamshi Swastayanamshi Chitteshanamshi Papanamshi Shankaputrinamshi Nandakinamshi Shaktinamshi Shangadantinamshi Dadadharayanamshi Shirakhamshi Panamshi Akshobhyamshi Sarvabharanamna Yudhayanamah साक्षात श्री आदिशक्ति भगवती माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः.
तुम्ही लोकांनी उठलेलं आहे तिकडे तेव्हा जे इथले लोक आहेत त्यांना बघून पाहा सोडून एवढे इथले लोक जोरांनी रगडायचे काय
त्वं स्वहा त्वं स्वधा त्वं हीव षट्कार स्वरात्मिका सुधा त्वमक्षरे नित्ये त्रिधा मात्रात्मिका स्थिता आधामात्रा स्थिता नित्याय यनुच्चार्य विशेषता त्वमेव सन्ध्या सावित्री त्वं देवी जननी परा त्वयैतत् आर्यते विश्वं त्वयैतत् यते जगत् त्वयैतत् पाल्यते देवी त्वमस्यन्ते च सर्वदा सृष्टिरूपा त्वं स्थितिरूपा च पालने तथा संहृतिरूपान्ते जगत्तस्य जगन्मये महाविद्या महामाया महामेधा महास्मृति महामोहा च भवति महादेवी महासुरी प्रकृतिस्त्वं च सर्वस्य गुणत्रयाविभाविनी कालरात्रि महारात्रि मोहरात्रिश्च धारिणा त्वं श्रीत्वमीश्वरी त्वं ह्रीस्त्वं बुद्धिबोधलक्षणा लज्जा पुष्टिस्तथा पुष्टिस्त्वं शान्ति क्षान्तिरेव च अङ्गिनी शूलिनी घोरा गदिनी चक्रिणी तथा शङ्खिनी चापिनी पाणभुषुण्डी परं आयुधा सम्या सम्या विशेषान् सम्या सम्या सर्वशेषान् सम्येत्यस्त्वाति सुन्दरी परा परां त्वमेव परमेश्वरि यच्च किञ्चित् क्वचित् वस्तु सदा सद्वा किलात्मिके तस्य सर्वस्य या शक्तिः सा त्वं तदा यया त्वया जगत्स्रष्टा जगत्पात्यान् अहं निशान एव च करेत्तस्ते यतो तस्मान् कस्तोतुं शक्तिमान् भवेत् स त्वां मिथं प्रभावाय स्वैरुद्धाराय देवी संस्तुता मोहायैताौ दुराधर्षा वसुरमधुकैतुवा प्रबोधञ्च जगत्स्वामिन्यर्थमच्युतो बोधश्चक्रे यतामस्य हन्तुं मे मैताौ महासुरान् साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति भगवती माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः.
ते काय फार लोक खर्च काय बघावं नको फार काय फार भाव नाही लागत फार मंडळी मोठी मंडळी त्याचं काय करावं नाही लागत एवढं याचं एवढं चर्चे बसलीत ना आपली घरीशी त्यांचं डोकं खराब असतं आपल्या लोकांचं काय एवढं करावं लागत
नमो देव्ये महादेव्ये शिवाये सत्पन्नमा नमाकृत्ये भद्राये न्यतामतास्मताय नमो नित्याये याये दात्राय नमो नमः ज्योत्स्नाये चेन्दुरूपिणे सुखाय सततं नमः कल्याणे प्रणतां बुद्धे सिद्धे कुर्मो नमो नमः नैऋत्ये भुक्तां लक्ष्मे शरण्यते नमो नमः दुर्गाये दुर्गपाराये साराये सर्वकारिणे यात्याय तथैव कृष्णाय गुमाय सपथं नमः अधिसंहतिसंयाशिराद्राय ततस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमो जगत्प्रतिष्ठायै दिव्यै तस्यै नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विष्णुमयेति शब्दिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु चैतन्ये प्रतीयते नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु निद्रारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु क्षतारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कृष्णारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु क्षान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु जातिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लज्जारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रद्धारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु वृत्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु स्मृतिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दयारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तुष्टिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः
बराबर घ्या बरं तुम्ही हे चारही वेद आणले हे चला एक मिनिट चला सांगू पुढे ये बालू पुढे येतो इकडनं ये इकडनं ये बालू तुम्ही जरा एक गळ्यात काय तुम्ही इकडे घ्या इकडे काढावं लागेल तुमच्या गळ्यात काय तुला येऊ द्या पुढे द्या बालू दर्शन झिरो इकडे आणतात इकडे बाहेर इकडे इकडे तुम्हीच आहे इकडे जरा तसं कसं येईल माझं बालू तुम्ही चारी वेद महासरस्वती पासून तर त्रिगुणात बघ जिल्या हा येतं ना घ्या डोक्याला लावून पाणी तीर्थ दर्शन घ्या कुठे वडिलांकडे नेलं हे सांगू दर्शन काहीतरी पवळ्याची घातली कुठे तोडलं का
झालं का पाय आता बघा त्या लोकांना काय वेळ नाही लागत आपले बघा आता शिका इथे ना